The product that I'm about to show you is making this Amazon seller over $66,000 per month and over 600,000 plus per year. Let's dive in.
Organization. I don't know why, but I'm always trying to get organized at like 1 in the morning. I'm like, put everything in an acrylic bin. This is a jewelry organizer because my jewelry right now is very unorganized. Stand for my necklace that dangle on them, and there's just a tray at the bottom, so all my earrings and rings are just like a mess. So this is what each drawer looks like, and you can easily organize them and keep them nice. Please.
Yep, so that is a perfect product that solves people problem every single day, especially for ladies where they have a ton of jewelry that they want to have a place to store it. So the reason why I'm saying that is this product gonna make this seller over $66,000. Let me show you the number, okay? So the tool here that we're gonna use is gonna be called Helium-10 X-ray. So if you don't have a Helium-10 account, I highly recommend you to do so, because if you are looking to sell on Amazon, you would need to have data. And data are going to be important for you to help you make better decisions. Okay? So after you are in Helium-10 extension, I want you to click on X-ray, Amazon product research. And as you are in here, as you can see, this is the exact same product that TikToker was showing. And this product is selling for $35.99 per unit. And as you can see, they are selling over 1,800 units per month. And this is the revenue. This is gonna be for 30 days, okay? So they are making over $66,000 every 30 days and over 600,000 plus per year. And let's see when they start selling. So the seller, they just started in March 28, 2023. So not too long ago, probably 4 months ago. So as you can see that this seller, just like you, wanting to sell on Amazon, but this guy, he just take action. He stopped thinking, because the more you think, the more problem that you cause inside your mind. And I was in that shoe before. I knew about Amazon FBA back in 2015. But as I was researching on YouTube, a lot of gurus on there telling me that Amazon was super saturated. I won't be able to make money with Amazon. So I have postponed that dream until 2018. When I was failure after failure, I picked on so many hustle. But in the end, I was just trading time for money. And then I knew that my friends who was selling on Amazon at that time, he making over 10,000 a day. And he showed me that number, and he telling me that Amazon gonna do most of the legworks. I basically need to just send products to Amazon warehouse. And when a customer ordered the products, Amazon will pack, ship, and send the product to the customer, and they even take care of customer service. So let's go back here. Now we have seen the seller is making about $66,000 per month. And later I'm going to show you how much they are bringing in profit. Because I know a lot of you guys here are going to be like, oh, it's just revenue. Show me the profit. And I'm going to show you later in the video, okay? So here is what I'm going to share with you next is how to find the exact same product from Alibaba and import it to the US and sell it on Amazon. Okay? So what you're going to do next is, now you see the number. So what you're going to do next is you're going to search using the keyword on here. My recommendation is always look for the first line of word. These going to show you the main keyword of this product that people are searching for. So when you are buying an earring box organizer, you have to search for that keyword. And for Amazon term, we call it main keyword. So let's copy this one. Pro Case is just the name of that brand. Okay. So now let's head to Alibaba. So as we are in Alibaba, let's search for that keyword on here. And I already did the searching for you. So I basically scroll halfway down, and now you can see this is the exact same look as the one that TikToker is showing, and same with Alibaba. So after we click on it, you can see that this product right now, they are selling for around $9.50 per unit. And for you, in the first batch, I want you to order about 2 to 500 unit maximum. You don't want to spend all of your money, like other gurus said, to go into like thousands of units. It's gonna kill you much quicker. Okay, right now you order maybe smaller quantity. However, you are spreading your risk thinner. In this case, let's stick with 200 units. So when you order about 200 units, the price is gonna go down. In this case, it's about $9.50. But if you get 200 units, and you can also negotiate, you can bring it down to maybe around $8, I would say, based on my experience. Okay, so let's go to the calculator. Now is the fun part. So I have it here. Again, we're going to be using Helium 10 extension. If you don't have the Helium 10 extension, I do have a link and a discount code in the description that would help you save 20 to 30% off monthly. And after you found your product, you've done all of your research, then you can cancel it anytime. Okay, so with this product right here, so they are selling for $35.99. The weight of this product is about 4 pounds. Manufacturing cost, like I told you earlier, roughly about $8. So in this case, Helium 10 is giving you about 7.2. But I would not trust in this product price too much. I would consider it to be about $8 from the start. And then the freight costs. So the freight costs here are going to be the cost sending the product from China to Amazon warehouse. So it's going to bring the total up to about $11.26 landing costs. So what landing cost is basically how much it's going to cost you to get the product from China landed to the US. We're going to call it landing cost, okay? And next, fulfillment costs. So basically you have to pay Amazon a fee because you are using their fulfillment center. You are using their platform and you are selling to their customer. I want you to think of Amazon as a mall, and you are a seller in that mall. Every day that mall is spending millions of dollars to advertise to people to bring them to that mall. And now for you, your job is to get the best products to their customer. Okay, so it makes sense to pay Amazon what they deserve. So the FBA fee here would include the referral fee, which is about 15%. And trust me, it's still cheap because I have run fulfillment center before. One of my brand that did over $4 million per year that I exit out already, I was running a fulfillment center, and the cost of hiring employees, at one point I having over 20 employees, the cost of the utility and also the rent, and now with the inflation, it makes no sense to put too much overhead costs on your shoulder. Let's say if you don't sell any things, you still have to pay your employees. So it's better to share it with other sellers using Amazon as a pool. Okay, so Amazon total fee gonna be about $765. So it's gonna, if you add up all that number of the cost from the landing cost, the fulfillment cost, and then you're gonna use the price minus all of that cost, it's gonna bring you down to a net profit ranging about $10.82 to $11.37. So the profit margin here is ranging between 30 to 31%. But let's be more conservative. On average, Amazon seller, we are aiming for a profit margin between 25 to 30%. Sometimes more depending on how exclusive the product to your category. Okay? So with this one, Earlier, I showed you the sellers is making about $66,000 per month in revenue, right? So let's just be conservative here. Let's say instead of 30% of what she's making, I'm just going to downplay the number down to 20%. With 20% of $66,000, he is profiting over $12,000 per month. And if we bring it up to about 30%, which is what profitability calculator is giving us, he's profiting about $18,000 in net profit per month and over $180,000 per year from just one product. And he doesn't have to leave his home. He doesn't have to pack the product customer service, and he still make money. And that is the beauty of Amazon. A lot of people out there I know are saying that Amazon private label, it's just too saturated. But little that they know is they learn from the wrong people that barely sell on Amazon. They are actually making money selling courses. And when you learn from the wrong teacher, you end up learning none, and you even make mistakes that cost you time, money, and energy. I did it myself, and I wish I could start it the right way. Okay? So if you are curious about the detail of how to sell on Amazon and also what mistake that all the sellers are making, I do have a tutorial that breaks down the step-by-step of how to sell on Amazon using Amazon Fulfillment Center, which is FBA, building your own brand, and eventually you can exit out and selling your brand for a couple $100,000 or even millions of dollars on Empire Flippers. Okay, let's say this brand right here, as you can see, monthly revenue $20,000, and their price is around already $140,000. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Justin, and subscribe and like and comment down below. My goal is I want to help educate a lot of new Amazon seller how to start the right way and to combat and fight against the gurus who is doing you wrong. Okay, so thank you so much, and comment down below what you want to learn next. If you constantly comment on my videos and show me support, I would love to pick you to be on the call with me so that I can see your situation and see how I can help you grow your brand, or at least get started the right way so you don't have to waste money, time, and energy. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.